My name is Victoria Winters. My journey is beginning. A journey that I hope will open the doors of life I've never met. People who tonight are still only shadows in my mind, but who will soon fill the days and nights of my tomorrows. Down beyond the sea, the life no soul. Now, I'm this what I should know. It's so down the snoop. Amber and Val.